It's opening day and Justin's warming up his arm because Justin Verlander can't pitch anymore. Of course, we don't have any batters, so we don't know how good Justin really is. Oh, a curveball. Did you see that? Of course, this can get kind of boring after a while.
Yeah, after a while, we're gonna have to switch to a different thing.
I'll be catcher, you be pitcher.
This is already getting boring for me.
It's getting boring for me, too.
Just throwing a ball. I'll go get another item. Or, wait, throw one more. One more? Okay, I'm gonna go find something else.
That was bad.
Up close shot. Okay, let's get an up close shot.
Here, stand right there.
Now. Wait.
That was bad.
Okay, see ya. Okay, this is boring. I don't want to sit through this, so yeah. I'm just gonna... Yes, yeah, I'm going inside. This is boring. Here, just put... I don't know, just put the camera and catch it one.
Did you turn it off?